To check the compass in Google Maps, follow these simple steps. First, open the Google Maps application on your device. This can be done by tapping the Google Maps icon on your home screen or searching for it in your app drawer. Once the application is open, ensure you have granted it the necessary permissions to access your location. Next, tap the location button, usually represented by a target icon, to activate your device's GPS and determine your current location. This will cause a blue dot to appear on the map, representing your current position. To activate the compass, tap the compass icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will cause the map to orient itself according to the direction you are facing, providing you with a more intuitive sense of direction. You can also use the compass by tapping and holding the map with 2 fingers and then moving them in a circular motion. This will also cause the map to rotate and the compass to appear. To switch back to the north-up orientation, simply tap the compass icon again. It is essential to note that for the compass to work accurately, your device must have a built-in magnetometer, which is a sensor that measures the strength and direction of magnetic fields. Most modern smartphones have this sensor built in, but it is always a good idea to check your device's specifications to confirm. By following these simple steps, you can easily check and use the compass in Google Maps, helping you navigate unfamiliar areas with more confidence and accuracy.